Hello everybody and happy April. So while I'm excited for this month to see what nature adventures bring me, I am also paying tribute to March and all the lessons that I've learned. So here is a little tribute. Cool. You can hear a sandhill crane. So this is the American robin. And what's really cool is that they can see Earth's magnetic field like a visual overlay, which helps them during migration. Did you know that walking in the rain is actually healing you? Rain hydrates your skin. It's like a natural facial mist. The falling raindrops create negative ions that boost your mood and reduce stress. And that earthy smell after rain, it's called petrichor, and it calms your nervous system. And at first, I thought maybe they were, maybe they are saying hey. Okay, I was thinking maybe they were all like chilling and friendly, but it looks like not so much. Look at the beautiful frozen droplets on this white spruce. Just pure nature magic. There's something so magical too about snow. Invigorating yet the peaceful silence. Do you know that snow can absorb up to 60% of sound in the environment? Partially why it sounds so quiet and magical. Remember everybody, nature and life does not require perfection, simply presence. So underneath this all is a transformation waiting to happen if we just be patient.